Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post market report. After about 3 days of rally, the Indian market we can say took a rest today. Today, our market opened with a gap up opening, but the market could not sustain its gain. In the first half itself, markets fell today. Even though most of the major indices today closed lower than yesterday's closing, we can say the market is in a decent condition now. Today, the Indian market consolidated. Even today was the expiry of Fin Nifty. Even though Fin Nifty today went below 24,000, it could close above 24,000. Bank Nifty also went below 52,000 and it could close above 52,200 levels. Sensex also went below 80,000 but it also just closed about 80,000. Today Nifty closes below 24,200 and today India VIX closed flat. This morning we saw that the huge purchase of FIIs were on yesterday due to the SIME rebalancing. So the market did not get confidence about the buying of FIIs yesterday. So today market was in a fear and the market was expecting profit booking at any time. So we saw the volatility in the India VIX today. Except Nifty IT, most of the major indices closed with negative sentiments today. Today, auto and power sectors drag the Indian market while IT, FMCG shines in the market. Britannia Industries, Asian Paints, Shriram Finance, Bharat Electronics, Infosys are some of the top gainers in Nifty today, while losers are Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Ultratech Cement, Sun Pharma and Bajaj Auto. On the sectorial front, auto, power, oil and gas and pharma down 1 to 1.5%, while IT, FMCG and metal was up 0.5 to 1%. Today, 1,437 companies were towards the advanced mode, while 1,042 companies were towards the decline mode while we check the advanced decline ratio in NSE. Triveni Turbine, HDFC Bank, BSE Limited and Adani Enterprises were some of the most active stocks of the day. Piramal Enterprises, Triveni Turbine, Lauros Labs, Keynes Tech and Wipro are some of the companies which touch its 52-week high today. Adani Green Energy, Adani Energy and Rajesh Exports were some of the companies which touch its 52-week low today. When we come into the global markets, Dow Jones future is now flat, while European markets are now trading about 0.5% down with negative sentiments. And most of the Asian markets are now with negative sentiments about 0.5 to more than 1%. But today, the progress of rising tensions in the Middle East, Brent crude, gold, and crude oil prices are now trading with positive sentiments. Now, the gold is rose more than 19.28 US dollars and trading nearly 2,630 US dollar, and both Brent and crude oil are trading nearly 1% up. So as I mentioned in the pre-market, this is not the right time to enter for investors. We have to just wait to confirm whether the FIIs will continue their buying or again they will start their selling. Stock in news, Swiggy. Today share rallies about 6% because UBS initiates coverage with buy and sees 26% upside. Vodafone Idea. Today the stock skyrocketed about 17% up as cabinet clears bank guarantee waiver for telecom. ACME Solar shares drops 7.5% today as net profit takes a dive in quarter two. Emequa Pharmaceuticals stock rises 10% today as Kotak upgrades to add and sees 28% upside. Crystal Integrated shares rises 4% today on securing a new order worth rupees 106 crores. Zagglity India stock today rallies about 8% after strong quarter two earnings. GE Veronova and TD India shares locked in 5% upper circuit today as promoters plan to sell up to 8.38% stake in the company. Indigo shares gain as it tops market share in October. Indigo also announced a new code-sharing partnership with Japanese Airlines. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the informations. Thanks for watching.